So one of the best things that you can do as a business is actually invest in your people in regular training programs. And I think that's one of the biggest things that businesses miss out on, is that they don't realize how much investing in their people is actually going to change their bottom line.
An investment in your people is direction changing. It gets everybody going in the same direction, the same habits, the same everything. The other advantage of having people trained and investing in your training is you can customize your training to what you need it to be. That's one of the advantages that we bring with Learn Online Security by teaching in person, is we're able to come, look at your organization, understand what your policies and procedures are, adapt our program to match what you're trying to accomplish, and at the same time offer enhancements to your program for spaces that you need to fill in or could be missing.
And I think one of the things that businesses miss out on is that we look as a business owner and we say, hey, I need people to learn this, to do this in my business. And what they don't realize, especially with our training with social engineering security, is that by training and teaching employees, I'm not only protecting them in business, I'm not just protecting my business, I'm protecting them as a person when they're at home with their family, with other organizations in the community, and you end up strengthening a network around you. It's not just investing in your business, it helps everyone out.
And the other advantage it brings that people never following up on what you say, it's a way of promoting your business, because if somebody has a good habit and they ask where that habit was learned, well, at work I was taught to. Where do you work at? Now you're promoting yourself in the community as a strong, vibrant contributor.
And getting started with our Learn Online Security program is easy. Just go down below, click on the link, and get in touch with us for a strategy call.